Good afternoon. I'm an 18-year-old nursing student, and I'm standing in front of you because I know that this competition can bring up a lot of changes into my life, and I'm passionate about photography and getting exposed to new culture. And what makes me stand out from different people is that I am having a positive attitude towards other things, and I'm easily exposed to new challenges, and that's what makes me different from other people. Thank you. Hello.
The question for you is, if you were a piece of wood, which tree would you belong and why? You understand the question?
I'm sorry, could you please repeat the question?
If you were a piece of a wood, which tree would you belong and why?
Can I please repeat the question in order to understand it better? If I was a piece of tree,
Wood.
if I was a piece of wood, which
Tree would you choose
All right.
and why?
All right. First of all, I appreciate your presence here, three of you. Thank you so much for coming. And I appreciate the question also. It's a bit tricky question to think upon.